So the process to turn off the contact sharing on iPhone is quite easy and simple. So just go and open up the settings. And in order to disable the name drop when you bring your phone together with the contact, simply scroll down a bit. And here first you have an option of general. Tap on general. And inside here, actually, this contact sharing happens through AirDrop. So we need to go to the settings of AirDrop, tap on AirDrop. And once that is open, and the second option you can see is start sharing by. So you have an option of bringing device together. You have to turn this off. And it says easily swap numbers with name drop, share photos, and more. So if you turn this off, you won't be able to share the contact by bringing the devices together, and it would disable the name drop. So hope by doing so you'll be able to achieve the turning of contact sharing on iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.